With you guys, I would like to evaluate some square roots. So let's practice. Let's look at the square root of 81. What number times itself produces an 81? That would be a 9. Let's look at negative square root of 9. Well, wait a minute, Willie. You said we weren't going to deal with negatives yet. Well, this negative is outside of the operation. It's not within the operation. So because of that, I can carry along the negative. Now I can just deal with the square root of 9. What times what makes a 9? That would be a 3. Let's look at the square root of 4 over 49. We can deal with fractions. What times what makes a 4/49th? Well, I know a 2 times a 2 makes a 4, and a 7 times a 7 makes a 49. Let's look at 0.0064. We can still work with decimals and deal with decimals. That would be 0.08. 0.08 times itself produces 0.0064. A couple more here we can look at. The square root of 36 plus 64. How do we think about that? Well, this might be 2 steps. Let's go ahead, because there's a grouping there. Let's group the like terms together. So this can become the square root of 36 plus 64, which is 100. And the square root of 100 equals 10. And then lastly, let's break that apart. Let's look at the square root of 36 plus the square root of 64. What's your gut telling you on that one? Well, square root of 36 is a 6, plus the square root of 64 is an 8, and the summation of both of those would equal 14.